Hi everyone, my name is Jess. I am a Steely student partner, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to record a PowerPoint presentation through Flip. So you might be asking yourself, why Flip? Flip is a great platform for recording your presentations and sharing them with a class. It makes it easy for students to respond to others' work in a video or written comment format, and is a great alternative to in person presentations, just in case you can't be there in person for sickness or any other reason. And also for those who might have social anxiety, Flip is a great alternative. So I'll be showing you how to do that today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my Flip account. I'm already logged in. I can sign out over here if I want to, just by toggling over to my user icon. And it's really easy to do this just because Flip is now supported by Microsoft. So everyone has their Microsoft email through the William and Mary account. So you can just sign in with that. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to toggle over to the group that you want to record this for. If I wanted to record it for the student partners, if I wanted to make my presentation about the hook videos, I could toggle over here and hit record, but I'm just going to do it in my own personal videos today. So I'll hit this plus button. And right here, you can see I'm ready and set up to record. I'm not recording yet. I can just see that my camera is working and on. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toggle over to the more options button. It has three little dots, and I'm going to hit record screen. I'm going to hit start screen recording. And the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I hit entire screen. And this is going to be important just in a minute. I'll show you why. I'm going to hit that window, and I'm going to hit share. And I'm going to toggle over to my presentation that I already have up. Now, the reason that it is important to share your entire screen and not just the PowerPoint is because sharing my entire screen will allow my camera to show up here in the corner, or I can pick it up and I can move it wherever I want. So this way, it's a great alternative to in-person presentations because you can still see my face, you can still see what I'm doing while I'm sharing my PowerPoint, and I can go through all my transitions. I just have a few slides here. And now I'm done with my presentation. I hit end show. I'm going to toggle back over to my Flip website. I'm going to hit stop recording. I can watch back the footage that I just took. But if I wanted to share, go ahead and share it. I'm pleased with my presentation. I can give it a caption or a link, and I'll just hit save to my profile. Or if it was in a class, it would say like submit or something like that, and then it would be ready for either the professor to take a look at and then share with the rest of the class. Or if the professor has it set up this way, it'll just share automatically with the rest of the class through Flip. And that's basically it.